towards a new era of vocational education in India. Introduction of vocational education from grade 6 onwards to enable them acquire necessary skills for further education and training. Vocationalization of education to be expanded in all government and government-aided schools through Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. 10-day bagless internship with local vocational experts such as carpenters, potters, artists, etc. for grades 6 to 8. Student support services which integrate education, labour market and community services to be enhanced. Skill-based aptitude test (SBT) to be introduced to provide guidance to students for career choice. Awareness programs to be organized to change the general attitude towards vocational education. More access to vocational education for students. Integration of vocational education programs into mainstream education in all educational institutes in a phased manner. Ensuring every child learns at least one vocation and is exposed to several more. To emphasize the dignity of labour and importance of various vocations including Indian arts and artisanship. Focus on real-life learning for more adaptability. To help young students acquire lifelong learning skills to cope up with the rapid pace of technological changes. Opportunity to learn from real-life contexts that address their personal, social and economic issues. To equip students with the ability to identify, create, initiate and successfully manage personal, business, work and community opportunities. Assistive devices, appropriate tech-based tools and teaching learning materials to be made available to children with disabilities. Role of NCERT in fostering vocational education. To develop NCFSE which will integrate vocational education in schooling from middle level onwards. To prepare guidelines, textbooks and teacher handbooks for vocational subjects. To develop a position paper on assessment and examination reform focusing on competency-based assessment and evaluation. School education boards to be strengthened to carry out the assessment of vocational courses. Strengthening vocational education through community and industry partnerships. Vocational education to be integrated in the educational offerings of all secondary schools in a phased manner. Secondary schools to collaborate with ITIs, polytechnics, skill knowledge providers, vocational training providers, artisans, local industry, etc. Skill labs to be set up in schools in a hub and spoke model to allow other schools to use the facility. Professional development of vocational teachers. Teachers, trainers to be given opportunities to learn the latest innovation and advances in their professions. Training to be offered in multiple modes like national and international workshops, online teacher development, etc. Common National Professional Standards for Teachers (NPST) to be developed by 2022. PSS Central Institute of Vocational Education (PSS-CIVE) to be assisted in developing teacher training modules. Vocational teachers training programs to be organized by NCERT, NIOS, CBSE, state boards, etc. Mainstreaming vocational education offering more choices. Vocational education to be integrated into all school and higher education institutions in a phased manner. Higher education institutions to offer vocational education either on their own or in partnership with industry and NGOs. Incubation centers to be set up in higher education institutions in partnership with industries. Focus areas to be chosen based on skills gap analysis and mapping of local opportunities. HEIs to conduct short-term certificate courses in various skills including soft skills. Vocational courses to be available for students enrolled in all bachelor's degree programs. A General Education Council (GEC) to be formed to frame expected learning outcomes for higher education programs. Professional councils such as ICAR, Veterinary Council of India, NCTE, NCVET, etc. to act as professional standard setting bodies, PSSBs. Department of Higher Education to provide vertical mobility of students undertaking vocational education at school by offering similar courses. Strengthening open vocational education. Offering of vocational courses through open and distance learning (ODL) mode to be strengthened. NIOS to cater to the requirements of open vocational courses, especially for the dropouts through ODL system. The curriculum for NIOS to be aligned with that of NCERT. National Skill Qualification Framework (NSQF). National Skill Qualification Framework to be detailed further for each disciple, vocation and profession. Framework to provide the basis for recognition of prior learning, RPL. Indian standards to be aligned with international standard classification of occupations maintained by the ILO. Vocational courses catering to a new and emerging skill demands of the industry, AI, robotics and IoTs to be developed. Lok Vidya, connecting knowledge of India with vocational education. knowledge from ancient India and its contributions to modern India with regard to education, health, environment, etc. Lok Vidya to be an important vocational knowledge developed in India and to be made accessible to students through integration into vocational education. Existing e-learning platforms such as Diksha, Swayam and Swayam Prabha to be leveraged for creating virtual labs. Implementation plan for vocational education. National Committee for the Integration of Vocational Education to review status of vocational education and prospective planning. NCERT to prepare national curriculum framework for school education to integrate vocational education in schooling from middle level onwards. Awareness generation for improving social perception of vocational education. NCIVE to oversee integration of vocational education into all schools and HEIs, skill gap analysis and mapping of local opportunities. Vocational teachers training programs to promoting new learning methods to be organized. Strengthening PSS CIVE and state level infrastructure for provision of vocational education. Provide courses ranging from local arts to new technologies by involving experts from relevant fields. Strengthening vocalization of education in schools. Department of Higher Education to provide vertical mobility of students undertaking vocational education. Open and distance learning ODL to expand the coverage.